Hi, and welcome to the Felder Group. Today I'd like to show you the easy setup of your Felder G330 edge bending machine, the new space saver in your workshop. The machine was designed for workshops with limited space, but also for high quality demands. The Felder G330 is the smallest machine on the market with a professional chain feeder and with high frequency motors with a speed up to 12,000 revolutions per minute. Because of the compact pallet dimensions, this machine is easy to transport even through doorways. The setup can be done by you easily and in 1 hour. Let's see. There are certain conditions to be aware of regarding the air supply. 150 liters per minute, 7 bar constant air pressure, minimum hose diameter of 10 millimeters, hose length no longer than 10 meter. And the air must be free of water and oil. To achieve that, we recommend the use of our oil separator. Your dust extraction unit should have a capacity of 2000 cubic meter per hour and provide a minimum airspeed on the machine dust extraction port of 20 meters per second. The diameter of the hose connector is 120 millimeters. For this unit, we recommend our standard dust extraction units AF14 or AF22. As well as our clean air systems RL125. There is a cable tie used as a transportation lock that has to be removed. Here in this box, you find a couple of hardware components, including all setup tools and a grease gun. Make sure that the machine cannot rock by inserting the leveling screws. Please note, the electrical connection should only be done by a certified electrician. He should also supply you with the right plug. Let him pay particular attention to the right rotation direction of the chain feeder. As opposed to the European version in the US, the blue wire is not needed. Only the 3 phases and earth have to be connected. The overall power consumption of a G330 is 5.5 kilowatt. For this, the electrician has to define the correct size of the main breaker in your workshop. Now it's time for the initial setup of your control panel. First, you have to select your language. Therefore, hold the reduced temperature button for at least 5 seconds. Then select your language by pressing the plus or minus buttons. Set your language with the button below. Then confirm and escape with the off button. The same procedure applies to when changing metric into imperial dimensions. There is already some glue in the glue pot. The recommended glue temperature is 195 degrees. Please always check the technical datasheet of your glue supplier. If you don't operate the machine for more than 15 minutes, it will automatically reduce the working temperature down to a pre-selected value. If you hold the working temperature button for more than 5 seconds, your Felder G330 will show you information about operating hours, lubrication intervals, and odometer for the edge consumption. Every aggregate can be engaged or disengaged independently. Always use the workpiece support in its fully extended position. When working with an edge bending machine, the most important thing is the condition of the panel. For a perfect result, you need exact 90-degree angles all around the corners and between surface and edge. Above all, the workshop and the material temperature have an influence. We recommend a minimum working temperature of 18 degrees. Let's continue with the machine now. Here you set the pressure beam to the desired panel size. The Felder G330 offers a very easy method to set all aggregates according to the edge tape thickness. Instead of using conventional bolt and screw adjustments, the Felder is set with an original piece of edge tape. That means you cut off 3 short pieces of your edge material, put it onto the pressure zone, and onto the top and bottom of the trimming unit. That's all. The capacity of the glue pot is 1.2 kilos, enough for about 200 meters of edge tape on a 19 millimeter panel. For the adjustment of the top edge guiding, insert the edge tape, move the top edge guiding till it touches, and then go 1 turn back. After that, pull the edge back to the entry point of the pre-cut guillotine. This is always the starting point for any type of work. This is the perfect result that you can expect from the Felder quality control system. However, there might be some changes that you want to make about the machine settings. We would like to show you a number of possible solutions. In the following examples, we have highlighted the most common adjustments, and we will show you how quick and easy it is to make them. In order to offer you a better view to the machine functions, we have filmed all processes with an opened service door and with deactivated safety features. If the edge seems to be too short on the infeed side, it was either the wrong start position at the guillotine, or the pressure of the top guiding here and here was too strong. However, if the pressure is too low, which means there is too much play between edge and guiding, this will be the consequence.